Dito lang, oh. H yan. Hindi naman N yan na yan.
What is next?
Huwag mo ilayo.
Or? I put the button down. Yeah, that's all.
What's the next?
A.
Next.
It's not Rumpus there.
Are you sure that's the right A?
Yeah, but I don't know. I forgot. Let me just erase it. Let me just erase one. There.
Okay na nga. Ayusin ko. Ako na nga magbubura.
Thank you, Mama.
Yan. Ito. Ang sabi dito. Nagugusot to. Ang sabi dito. 5 senses. Direction. Look at the pictures and write the names of senses under it from the box given below. Sight, smell, taste, hear, touch. Okay, the number 1. What is this?
C.
Sight. Oh, you can write this one here. Sight. Small lang ah. Same ah, same. Sight. Very good. Baba. Wow! Next. Oh, gayahin mo to.
H.
Dito! Huwag mo ilalayo, anak. Ano kasunod?
T.
Yes, huwag mo ilalayo. Then, number 2. Look at the picture.
Here.
Here. Ito ang here. Gayahin mo.
First 2 lines.
Dito yung basa ah.
There. Is it there?
Oh, mali na spelling mo ng here. You check it first.
Is it not that one? Is it only that one?
Ito talaga.
Is it faster me?
Next.
What is it? But whoa. Wait.
Next. What is this?
Brush your teeth.
No, it's not brush your teeth. He is eating.
He's eating.
What's that? Sight, smell,
Eat.
taste.
Taste.
Taste. Very good. Taste. Ito, gayahin mo.
This is like this.
Ito.
It's this.
A. Taste ang basa dyan. Taste. Ito pa.
Sight. Eat.
Yes, taste. Next.
Next is smell.
Smell. Very good. Smell.
Is it going too faster to said it?
Yes. Smell.
And M?
M. Maliit lang. Maliit lang yung M. Maliit lang. Doon lang sa maliit na letter. Yun na, sa guwit lang.
Right there?
Smell. Yes.
What is next?
E.
E.
M na ba yan? Hindi naman M yan eh.
That's you.
M nga, smell nga eh. M. Etong M oh. Dikit mo. Ah, ang haba na naman. Sanabing sa ano lang eh. Yan. Yan. Next.
E.
E, very good. Next.
11.
L. Anong 11? Next.
Look, it's 1, 2.
How about this? Sight, smell, taste, hear, touch.
Touch.
Very good. Oh, write mo yung touch.
It's T again.
Yeah. What's the next of T?
O.
What's the next of O?
U. Small U.
Next.
C.
What's the next? Very good. And then what's the next? Drawing. Oh, bring.
What happened?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Oh, what's the next drawing?
Is
Sight. Smell. Taste.
watch.
Ay, sight yun. Sight, ibig sabihin nakakakita. Sight. Oh, sulat mo dun, sight.
Again?
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Anong kasunod? G. Very good. Next.
H.
H. Very good. Anong kasunod? T na maliit. Yan ang T na maliit.
But it's so.
Yan.
So it's like
Oh, game. What's the next? The drawing shows that. What? Which
Here.
Here. Very good. Yes. Here. What's the letter?
You need H.
H. Next.
E.
E. Very good. Next. A. Ang bilis ah. Walang parisan ah. R.
But it's so big.
Yes, brain na lang natin. Next. Sulatan mo. Maliit lang ganito. Maliit lang kasi, oh.
Think.
Next.
Eat. Taste. Taste.
Eat. Oh, sige, lagay mo taste. Kasi yung picture eh.
Where's-
Di mo alam kung
This
tini-
one.
touch yan, touch. Ito, taste. Yes.
This one.
Hindi mo alam kung ano eh, kung nakatingin lang sa pagkain, may pagkain, kakain, o inaamoy yung pagkain. Go. O, taste. Tara ko pabalik-balik si tita. Ano kasunod?
I'm spelling.
Sige na, sige na, sige na.
Hindi kita na. Hindi na alam ko.
Next. What's that?
Smell again.
Smell again. Where is the smell there? Diyan. Oh, very good. Smell. Very good naman.
I got so.
Yes, you're supposed to faster. What's the next?
Is it? Is it going so fast? What is my?
What's the next? Yan, very good naman si Bri.
Is it going so fast?
Yeah, show your paper now. You're done. Hold it. Hold it.
Wait,
Oh, wag mo yan, oh. Wow, very
what
good
you
naman.
said? Nothing.
Yeah.
Camera. But this is good. This is a good job on this.
Okay, good job.